Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I actually wasn't planning on filming this weekend, but it's a long weekend and I decided, you know what, the girls and I are getting in the car and we're going on a big road trip out of Brisbane, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. If you're new here, I'm Ash. We adventure around, we road trip around, we're going international next video, so stay tuned for that. But for this one, enjoy this long weekend around the Granite Belt, New England region out of Brisbane.
I'm not a painter, can't stay in the lines.
We've actually just stopped at the Stanthorpe cheese farm and it's absolutely fantastic here. So yeah, we'll do cheese tasting, then cob loaf, because cob loaf is amazing.
So,
oh, I can smell it. So that's never?
yeah.
About honey.
I really like that.
That is a really good cheese.
Yeah, the Nova was like a strong, creamy mozzarella. That's all I can describe it as. Oh my god. Like, that honey is insane.
Oh, that's very good. This is the fig date and hazelnut paste.
Yeah.
Very sweet, very good.
And the cards are polished, producing a very smooth texture.
Oh, see how you guys like it.
Style cheese with a full-bodied mouth feel. Creamy white mold surface, ripened cheese in Brie Camembert family. Into this way, like a super.
Take the top of the cob. Who wants to eat that? Actually, Zosh, I want you to have this first bite.
Okay. Crunchy, but like soft.
Yeah.
Good.
Good?
And cheesy, because I presumably added some cheese there.
Yep. The perfect cob, this. So good.
I feel like I will lose the.
I feel like you can hit. We did the $6 tasting platter. It was a platter, right? Paddle. I'm used to being to brews. We did the $6 tasting platter and it was absolutely phenomenal. Got to try some of the local cheeses and, oh my goodness, found my new obsession. It's garlic fermented in honey and it's so good. Next stop is actually the apple farm down the road. We've just arrived at Sutton's Juice Factory. It's a little apple orchard here in the Granite Belt. Never been. To be honest, I've never actually taken my time like this coming out of Brisbane for a long weekend. So I'm really excited to just re-explore an area that I technically know well, but I really haven't explored much. Kumquat.
Sorry?
Apple juice is like my cure-all for hangovers. Oh, cloudy apple juice.
Get it for tomorrow. Tomorrow. Which one do you want? Like the...
Oh, that ginger and apple juice is so good. They've got little tastings down there.
Basically, it's called Aviary Project.
Get the first reaction.
Taking my sweet time. Oh fuck. That was so good.
Cheers. With the cream.
Yeah.
That was a bit of a reaction. I'll take that.
You need to have a bit of a top.
Okay.
Definitely get some of the crunch.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. A bit, and then you recommend the whipped cream?
Yeah, the cream. Very good.
That's really yummy.
That pastry is so thin and crispy.
Yeah. And I don't... Is there any bottom? I don't think there's any bottom.
There is.
Okay.
None of us have been eating the pastry at the bottom. Let's see what it is like.
I feel like the apples cooked like perfectly.
Yeah,
as well.
because it's still crunchy,
Still got a bit of...
but it's... Yeah.
Do you get your first reaction?
I've seen that in Uluru.
Oh, that is so fair.
Come to this place, get the apple pie, it is worth it. So we've got peach apple jam. So Zosh got the peach apple jam, Cash got the medlar syrup. I've never heard of a medlar before.
Medlar's right there.
Where?
Just that little bush tree
Okay,
area.
let's go and check it out. I guess that's it. There.
I don't necessarily want not really, but
So we just finished up at Sutton's apple farm here. Oh my goodness, if you do anything else, please go and try their famous apple pie. It was absolutely fantastic. Pastry was perfect, it was crispy, it was crunchy, it was buttery. Oh, so good. What did you think, Zosh?
yeah, highly recommend you need to.
Come here.
Highly recommend you need to try the cake. It was so delicious,
Yeah,
so good.
apple pie. 10 out of 10. So let's continue along the Granite Belt and see what else this region has to offer. Portable devices. Always a must. I'm about to do something I've never done before. I have made this drive for years and I've never stopped in at the Red Lion Tavern, and today that is going to change. Let's go visit the pub that I've been driving past and let's see what it's about.
Sorry, we're just setting up for a gig for tonight.
That's very good. That black pudding. It's so cool. Look at this. Look at the carpet.
Well aware.
Yeah, no, that's all right.
yeah, that's the distinction.
Well, we were in Ireland a month ago, and then
Which
9
part?
months with Lynn and a few nights there. So
I think that
They are very proud from that you can taste
the region from the whiskey.
coal. You can taste the coal.
did you ladies want to run a tab?
Stories and singing songs make me think about where I came from.
So you've got the gin.
Yeah, the gin with the ginger beer, the rhubarb and something gin.
See how it is. See how it is. Cheers. Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good. It's really refreshing, and you can taste the ginger beer, but you can also taste like a hint of the rhubarb. It's really good. It's like really refreshing. Really easy to get drunk.
That's so good.
Yeah. This thing would be like so easy
Taste
to get
it.
drunk on
Taste it.
because you don't. It tastes
No,
so
that
refreshing.
tastes so good. Oh, fuck. How good is that? That's fair.
Where the sun shines bright, will me and my true love will never meet again. Thanks very much.
WHO did.
Good morning, welcome to the next day. We've driven back out to Cathedral Rock National Park. I have done a video on this with Georgia before, but I brought the girls out here, keen to do this hike again, and for the first time I have a drone. I have a drone to film this amazing place. I'm really crap at it, but we're gonna give it our best shot. Anyway, come with us for the Cathedral Rock National Park walk. I'm so excited, I love this one. So are you all keen?
Yeah.
Keen for the hike?
Let's go.
So excited to show these guys this one. I think they're all going to really enjoy it. The weather's perfect. It's 21 degrees, mid-spring. Shouldn't be too hot, shouldn't be too windy. I should be able to get the drone up there, so let's kick on with this adventure.
To be honest, it's better to say.
Oh, we're safe. Bottle brush?
Yeah.
It actually feels wiry.
Like a bottle brush.
Yeah. So you've got the charring from the bushfires in 2019 and all of your granite outcrops. So you can see all the new shoots from the previous fires. So I just want to point out we are hiking in the early spring, but because it's so hot and dry in Australia at the moment because of El Nino, we are scanning for snakes. Brown snakes, black snakes. So always scanning the peripheries of your walking track. If you see a stick, triple check that it's a stick. See those ones there? The seed pods, these need the heat from Australian bushfires to open. The track versus the summit, just up there. There she is. What do you think, Phoenix?
It's beautiful. I love it so much.
We spotted our first tours. So if you look over here, all of those rocky outcrops are actually called tors, T-O-R-S, and they're distinct formations done in granite in this region, and they're really, really cool. I have another video on it, so go check that out. I'll link it up above. Oh my goodness, come through. It is crazy. I think there's another way through, but you know what? We're gonna do it this way.
Think small thoughts. Hey!
Oh my god, that definitely wasn't the most efficient.
It's still filming.
Thank you. That definitely was not the most efficient way to do this. Oh my god, I could have just gone there.
That's nowhere near as fun.
Oh my god, it's like we're all up here. This one should be easy, but I guarantee I'll make it harder than it needs to be. Hello! And look at this. Made it to the chains and up to the summit.
It's in the air, you feel that it's bringing back images.
Smile, guys. We've just made it to the summit of Cathedral Rock and it is absolutely stunning. We've just seen a family here who's flying the exact same drone as me. I've asked them some pointers, so let's get this drone up in the air. Have my first time ever flying a drone in an area like this. I think it's my third time flying ever. I'm so excited. You'll get to see the tours, the landscape, how dramatic this place really is. It's such an amazing hike. Put it on your bucket list.
We're making our way at long last, feeling like a new day. If you can find it now, you're gonna see. Ooh, and if you send it back, we're gonna get it. Alright. Oh, merciful.
They taste really healthy.
They've definitely got like honey or something. Quite sweet in them.
We definitely will get a jawline chewing them.
Yeah, for me it's more the texture. Bit of a workout.
Ow, that's gonna bleed.
Rest in peace to my shin and my knee.
Example of what not to do. Trigger warning, blood. This is an example of what not to do. Oh well. Wow. That should all be flowing. We've attempted to come to one of the falls in the area in hopes to find a swimming hole. And it's just dry. I think it's been 5-6 months since significant rain in this area, and I think swimming in rivers is off the cards for now. Well, at least these ones. See if we can find something tomorrow. That's really disappointing.
What that guy is doing? Is he looking for?
Good morning and welcome to another beautiful morning here on the Granite Belt. We've come to a beautiful swimming hole that I've heard about for so long, and I've finally gotten the chance to check it out, and it's just stunning here. There's people doing some gold panning, there's families here, and there's just, it's absolutely beautiful. What do you think, Zosh?
Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I am calling you across the old room. Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I would like to come out of the womb. Something in me feels like all of me, and we dance all alone. Come on in, open my heart to this world. Open my heart.
Oh my god. Oh, this area.
Even out the tan.
Even out your tan?
If I just stand with the tan bits.
Oh, this is just so beautiful. Going in, we found this spot. Oh, that's so nice of you.
For breakfast,
Oh my goodness, that is so nice. Oh, that.
I can't see what's happening in this video.
That is so good. Just have a beer in your hand.
Oh, I love like that. It makes your like voice off.
You should be able to see peaks through that. You should be able to see the peaks there. So we've just gotten here to Cunningham's Gap, about to head down to the coast eastwards, and I really wanted to end this video on a super positive note, showing the guys this amazing view of the valley and out to the sea, but unfortunately we've been met with a super smoky, fire-riddled environment. But if you guys enjoyed this video of exploring the Granite Belt, make sure to hit that like button down below as it lets me know that you really like these sort of videos. And don't forget to hit subscribe also, because it really supports my channel. And I hope to see you guys in my next adventure, which will actually be international. We are going to America. So stay tuned for that. I'm so excited. Haven't been back there in 5 years. So I hope to see you guys then. And until then, keep on adventuring.
To this world.